Hello, hello, and welcome to my Google Drive. If you see here, this is the drive. The folder is for Purdue specifically. We can even go back and I'll show you the two courses I'm in now. This assignment is for this course, and here are a few files that I have. If I would like to create a new file, I would say Google Doc, blank document, and give it a minute while it thinks. And I'm going to name this document, let's be original, the new document. Let's see if we can see that. Change the spelling a little bit. Document, the new document. And hello. This is my shiny new document. Let's share it with somebody, shall we? So I can go over here and share it with this person. They're an editor. Yep, so they can edit. So that's nice. Would you like to help me edit? Sounds like fun. That's not how you spell that. There you go. And now I have shared it with somebody. Person added. So thank you for visiting my Google Docs with me.